These birds don't just sing. Their sounds are so weird and terrifying, they'll haunt your nightmares. Number 3, the lyrebird. This bird can mimic anything. Chainsaws, alarms, even human voices. Imagine hearing a baby crying in the forest, but it's just this bird. Number 2, the oilbird. Living in caves, it uses eerie clicks to navigate in total darkness. At night, their calls sound like screams echoing through the jungle. If these sounds are freaking you out, hit that subscribe button now, because the last bird is nightmare fuel you can't unhear. Number 1, the Tawny Frogmouth. With glowing eyes and a guttural growl, its call sounds like a horror movie monster lurking in the dark. This bird is proof that nature can be terrifying.